As part of efforts to boost the country's revenues, the federal government says it plans to focus more on and tap the full potential of the hospitality and tourism sector. This was announced by the Minister of Culture and Tourism, Mr. Adam Duke, who said that the dwindling prices of oil at the international market offers the sector the opportunity to contribute significantly to the nation's gross domestic product. He said that the sector has the capacity to become a leading employer of labor in the country if well harnessed.
Men and women who have over the past couple of years committed their own resources with little or no support have come together at a time that Nigeria is facing its most traumatic economic challenge and have said that we will stand in the gap, we will take responsibility, we will grow tourism and culture and hospitality, we will make a difference, we will attract more and more travel customers through our country and through our facilities, and we will ensure that we help to grow the national force, enhance our businesses, place jobs at the disposal of our youth, and truly make a difference in Nigeria.
At the end of only 3 days of trading at the Nigerian local bourse, the market returned to the highest one-day growth of 5.01%. Well, this was driven largely by the renewed investors' confidence in the market and the bargain values of most blue chip stocks. Bisi Adebayo has a summary of activities at the Nigerian stock market.
Hello and welcome to the Stock Market Reports. It was a brief trading week as the Nigerian stock market opened for 3 days, with Thursday and Friday declared public holidays to celebrate the Christmas and Boxing Day holidays. For the week, 1.86 billion shares worth 12.76 billion naira were exchanged by investors in 13,469 deals. In the previous week, 5.40 billion shares valued at 46.47 billion naira exchanged hands in 22,986 deals. The all-share index and market capitalization appreciated by 13.60% to close on Wednesday at 34,428.82 and 11.40 trillion naira respectively. 57 equities appreciated in price in 3 days of trade. Percentage-wise, the top 5 were United Bank for Africa, Transnational Corporation of Nigeria, Owando, Skybank, and Dangote Cement PLC. The top 5 laggards for the week were led by Ashaka Cement PLC with a 2 naira 45 kobo loss. International breweries, Caverton Offshore Support Group, Pharmadeco, NPF Microfinance Bank, and 11 equities depreciated in price. And that ends the stock market reports. I'm Bisi Adebayo.
Well, just before the Nigerian capital market closed for those holidays, the all-share index hit the 34,000 psychological line to end midweek trade at 34,428 points, as reported by Bisi there. While the 13.60% gain recorded by the key indicators in just 3 days of trading came as a surprise to many, as the usual trend at Christmas is negative. However, the broker-dealer community believes Nigerian equities are currently at their support level, an indication that it's inevitable for prices to rise.
We lost over 3 trillion successively in a period of about 4 months, and it was hemorrhaging, it was bleeding. It couldn't have done worse. When it hits the bottom, it must bounce up, otherwise it will fall through. It didn't have to fall through. When it dropped that point, it began to move up again. So essentially, it's about correction, price market correction that the market itself does.
When the oil price was coming down, the market was badly affected, and we noticed that most of the stock were below their intrinsic value. So now that they are picking up, investors have been able to see that some of these stocks had come to their bottom low, to the lowest price, and they are taking advantage of the opportunity. We are working towards the end of the year, so investors are seeing opportunities to really come in and buy those stocks at their cheapest price.
Well, at the commodities market, Brent crude futures held above $60 per barrel today on strong U.S. economic data, which supported the market. U.S. data showed crude inventories unexpectedly rose by 7.3 million barrels last week to their highest December level on record. Front month Brent crude rose by 26 cents to $60.50, while WTI's front month contract was up 32 cents at $56.16 per barrel. Well, those are the business news headlines for this Boxing Day holiday. Amarachi returns in a moment.